smile. I just want your perfect mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, you are watching October, which means it's October, and we're doing some fun Halloween-inspired crafts. You guys know that we love Disney, so we are gonna be doing some villains this year, and I am so excited for some of the villains Loungefly backpacks that I am blinging this year because one, we're using a lot of our bling colors because there's a lot of cool colors we can use. For this bag, we are using, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 different bling colors, and I'm really excited. I just wanted to preface the video by telling you guys that you're gonna see me use the double-sided sticky and an SVG from AuntieTay.com, which if you want to know how to do that step, I actually have a video called Making SVGs Out of Real Life Photos or Real Life Things. It's a villain, or it's a superhero mask video. So if you want to know how to turn objects into SVGs that you can then size and cut for different projects like this, that video is going to be key. But if you are a member to AuntieTay.com and you want to bling up your bags without glue, I am designing these SVGs and sharing them with the members, so I have them already ready to go, pre-sized for you. So we're gonna go over to the website and download it so you guys can see where to find it if you are a member in this video. So let's go download it, and then we're gonna bling this bad boy up using no glue. If you're interested, I get all of my Loungefly bags on Amazon, so they are in my Amazon store. Link is in the description. So let's get going.
All right, to get our Evil Queen SVG, we need to be on AuntieTay.com. You will have to be signed in to get to this page. So this is the home page, and I'm gonna just hover over Disney and wait until this pops up and click on villains. Another way to get there would be click on Disney, and all of our categories are right here. I could also go this route and click on villains. Once I'm on the villains page, I'm going to go down until I find the Loungefly bling patterns, and these are the 3 that we're doing for October. So I'm just going to click this one right here, and it will download the Evil Queen zipped file. If I open it, it will look like the SVG, which is what we will upload into Design Space or Silhouette Studio or whatever program you're using to cut this with. You'll want to cut this on light cardstock. I don't know if I said that in the actual tutorial. And then I also told you what size to size it to in the video as well. So make sure that you follow those guidelines. And again, it comes zipped, so you'll just want to unzip that before you upload it into any of your programs, and then you're good to go. Okay, to figure out how large we're going to make our SVG, I like to use my hack where I measure in centimeters and then do.
Alexa, what's 11 centimeters in inches?
11 centimeters is 4.33 inches.
So that's the size that I resize it to, and if you're a member and you have this SVG, then there's a guide on what to set any of our cut files to so that it's perfect for the bag. It seems a little small here, but it will fit perfectly. So just peel off one of your sides and then place it onto the center of the crown, and you can leave that there until you are ready to bling it. I don't pull it off completely until I am ready or almost done blinging. I'm also going to do her eyelids and her eyebrows and her button at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to use the SS16 to go around the outside, and then I'll go in with Mix Later to fill in all the little gaps. This color is Jane. It's absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a rose gold, but more of like a champagne rose gold. And it is so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with my mix and just fill it in. This is your opportunity to put a lot of hidden Mickeys in your design if you are about that life, which I definitely am. Then I'm going to dump some glitter on. I used the color Champagne for this, and then I'm gonna use my slime hack to get my glitter off. Then I'm gonna do her eyelids in the color Sophia, which is just a very pretty soft purple, and I'm gonna use mixed so that I can do kind of like a gradual getting smaller into the inside of her eye. And then I'm gonna use a glitter that matches. You can use any color purple that we have. We have about 3 or 4 different shades, and then of course my slime trick to get off the extra mess. Then I'm going to do the inside of her button. The SVG has the little spot in the center of the button, and then also the outside rim. I'm using Lucky Fin in the glitter, and then the color of the bling is called Oliver. It's one of my favorites. It's like this really pretty orange iridescent color. And then on the outside, I'm also going to use Jane, just so that it matches the crown and ties in both of those colors. I'm going around the outside with SS20, and then I'm gonna go around that with the small ones, making little baby Mickey heads all the way around.
I don't need your